Okay, look over our mess. Where you going, Alice? You want to go shopping?
We're going to another going for another
You want to go shopping?
Another trip shopping?
Okay. Come on. Lowe's biggest shopper. Alright, you want to go shopping? Huh? Come on. Alice, look, there's a squirrel. Get him. Look, Alice, get him. Look, 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 look. Go get him. Get him. Oh. Come on. Get in here. Today's adventure, we are taking Alice to Lowe's. I know you saw some footage before this, but we had a few viewers that wants to know what she does in the truck and how she behaves. Well, we're going to...
She behaves great in the truck.
She's excellent in the vehicle. She wants to know if you roll her window down, so...
And we would like to welcome all our new subscribers and tell how much we really appreciate our people who have followed us from the beginning. And
going shopping?
But we're going
go shopping.
This is basically Alice going back to Lowe's, because you see how excited she gets when we say shopping.
You going shopping?
That's one of the biggest. And Lowe's is one of the biggest places that will allow us for her to go inside and where she don't have to stay in the truck. So.
Hit the middle when we come back. She's very well behaved in the vehicle. Even when we go in the store, she does not have any anxiety. She does lay down on the floorboard. We believe what happened, someone tried to reach in a window to pet her. She's very scared of people to start with because she was abused. And you don't even know she's in the vehicle until we get close to like a driveway or Lowe's, the road you turn on to go to Lowe's. But we've had a lot of people wanting to know how she behaves in the vehicle, and the last vlog we did didn't show her expressions or what I call behavior, so it's all eyes on Alice today. Go shopping.
This is Presswood Lake. Sunoco products. Some days we're going to cross here and that water so slick out across there that it almost looks like a mirror.
She knows. See how she's looking over at Lowe's now. Where you at? She's starting to shake now because she's excited. You going shopping?
This place is pretty packed in here today.
You want to go shopping? Come on. All right, you gotta stay here, Alice. We'll be back.
She said, wait, this is where I'm supposed to go in.
You gotta stay here. We'll be back. Now, come on. You want to go shopping? Come on. She's like, you kidding me?
Oh, where do you want to go?
She's waiting for you for a command. Here, let me drive her.
Here's one of her buddies coming up to one of her buddies. And here.
Good, how are you?
She pretty much knows her way around the store. She just walks around and princes around. What?
You don't see it?
And now she's
Tired now.
tired now. She's ready. She let us back out the store. She went in, met everybody she wanted to meet.
And you got to see some neighbors.
And so that's Alice's trip to town.